Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video here of Tuning Dutchy. Now finally it's time to do the Drive POV, which I promised you guys in the previous video. Now, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel because what you are gonna hear soon is an awesome engine sound and exhaust sound. Now, what you can call exhaust, right? Now, let's not talk too much. You guys have waited too long for this. Let's get straight into the video. Enjoy it. Alright guys, so there we are in the car. Let's take the keys, open up the windows, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy it. Now I am definitely enjoying it. Let's go. That's heavy. I will be right back. Alright guys, now I'm back again. Let's continue our journey. God damn, is that thing ass loud. Everything, but really everything is vibrating. Anyways, not talking. Let's drive. Both front side windows are opened. that's a very heavy sound. My goodness. Now you guys exactly know why I do love it. I do love this sound. Anyways, guys, for this, I really hope you guys have subscribed to the channel. I mean, definitely worth it. But this is definitely not the last video, of course, if we speak about upgrades, loudness, and of course, well, horsepowers. I definitely can feel that I have gained horsepowers. I mean, I just have to touch the gas pedal and I mean, this thing is moving without hesitation. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys are checking in the next video again. Which that one is going to be is quite unknown. I mean, I will have to see that. Anyways, I'm still will thank you for watching the video. If you guys want to donate to the channel, that's possible. See the description below. You guys will see the Tippy Stream link over there. If you cannot find it, then join my Discord server, which is Tuning Dutchy Racing and Tuning channel. Over there, you can also find the Tippy Stream link. That's actually in a apart channel. And if you are already on Discord and you are donating, then that means that you are getting a special role, and every kind of role depends, of course, on your amount of donation. Is actually, well, having also its benefits. So choose it for yourself. It's not required, of course. It is possible. I mean, I would really appreciate that. I mean, that's definitely gonna keep me motivated. Such like this kind of crazy things. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. Like, subscribe, and I see you guys the next time. See you then.